Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kushbu and today I will be reviewing The Parable of the Pipeline book, and this book is by Burke Hedges. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct, and it is a very thin book, hardly 125 pages, and this is how it looks like with a lot of money cash flowing from the pipeline. Basically, it starts with a parable of friends. One is Bruno and one is Pablo, and both are given this task to fetch water into buckets into the village because the village does not have water, and they are given a certain sense to do so, to carry this many buckets to and from the river and fetch the water. So that is their job, and both are very happy to get the job. So Bruno and Pablo both get onto the job and are very happy that they are earning this much, while one friend is very happy and is just thinking about how he can do more buckets each day and increase his pay. The other friend wants to think of a long term, where he is determined that if I don't want to work on one day, then what? And he thinks something bigger, and of course he thinks about building a pipeline which will give him a cash flow regardless of his constant working or not. To cut the long story short, Pablo ends up building a whole pipeline. Of course it takes him a very long time, around 2 years, but that makes him money that he can sit, eat, sleep, and yet have the water running and making him money, while Bruno's back is bruised, he's tired, he's constantly complaining, right? So this is a very similar situation that we have in this day and age as well. So what the author has done is he's given us this parable and told us that we need to create pipeline of cash flow that works even when we are not working. Think about situations like 10 years down the line, 5 years down the line. What if you want to take a holiday? What if you want to take a break? What if it's a paternity break? What happens when you are laid off? What happens when you no longer want to work? All these scenarios are not thought of, and he talks about the mindset that why to work from somebody else, why not to build a pipeline on your own. And it's very simple in this day and age because of the internet, because of all the things we can do. Like the example is YouTube. You can create YouTube and it will be a side hustle until it makes enough money so that you can quit your day job and make this a full-time career. So that's a beautiful example that I can give you by my own, that yes, this is something that it's very much applicable, and you can start by doing it as a side hustle until it makes enough money. So that's basically what he's trying to say, that save up, invest, and have your eggs in multiple things that will eventually give you a very good return. And ultimately it's all the compounding that will happen over the years, and the systems that you will build will run no matter whatever you do. You are there, you are not there. And that's the idea, right? All the businesses and all the things that people do are done through delegation, are done through creating such pipelines. And the title is very apt, of The Parable of Pipeline. And I think we all should start doing that right from our early age, so that when we want to retire, when we don't want to work, we can do so at our own pace. It's a very simple read, and if you are starting out into reading about financial literacy or how you can build your pipeline, then you can pick it up. And I really found it useful, even though the concepts are not new, but the way it is presented is in a story manner. And if you want to read more, than pick up small little non-fiction books like this, and subscribe to my channel for more book reviews. Thanks for coming in. Keep reading. Bye.